Good morning everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 24. Happy Christmas Eve. We're gonna get our day started with a bloom. It is 6 a.m. and we have to leave the house in like 30 minutes because we're going to meet our family for pickleball. That being said, I am going to try to get some editing done while I wait for everyone. I wonder where the kitchen light could be. Okay. Well, alright. Good morning, everyone. Now that we're a little more awake, I don't know whose bright idea it was for us to go to play pickleball this early in the morning, but it's something we're doing. So I'm just letting the car defrost and thaw and do all the things because then we have to go. What a pretty sunrise. It's too early for this, but here we are. Literally not a single other person. Yeah, because they didn't have more than that. I bought Five Below of their entire pickleball stock. We'll get more if we enjoy it today. Pre-game interview, how are you feeling?
Hey, we're feeling good. It's tight.
Oh!
Let's do one more.
We're done. Oh my god. Alright, we're done. That was really fun, actually. I had a splendid time, if I do say so myself. I think we're coming back in a couple days, which is going to be very fun. But also, I'm kind of tired, and I might make another coffee.
Hey guys, you got a picture for you? We take a picture of the three of you? I mean, you got the hat. Maybe you can sweat for two. I'm gonna get it.
The hats have come off. It's business.
But I'm glad you're here. I'm chill. Let's have fun this Christmas tree. I just want you for my own. You're gonna find about C78. Come with me. 789 on your gear. Give her a shake. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, run. How high can you get your power? Come on. Next week.
Let's go!
Great job, y'all.
This Target is like...
We should have gone over there.
I know. But maybe it was... We have... How many though? Because I'm about to cut...
Or do you want your box?
This one. These are my backups.
These are the tomatoes I get at home.
Not these?
Like for sandwiches.
You put tomatoes in sandwiches?
First time, sorry.
Oh!
Wait, you have to like it. It'll offend my religion.
Not. We're walking away. So behind me are 3 Lalus.
cups of whole milk, 8.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We probably have that at home. Eggs,
How many
6.
do I? Oh, I don't need any all-purpose.
Yeah.
Okay.
Active dry yeast, 2 teaspoons. Okay.
You haven't?
Only once in my entire childhood.
Brown people don't make gingerbread houses.
Yet we.
I mean, we're not working 2 weeks ago, but it's still fun.
Let's do it. We should get the one that comes with the mini pack, so then we can all like competition. That can be our Christmas Eve activity.
We've been in Target for 16. New clip. We've been in Target for 16 hours. They've trapped me here. It's hour 19 at Target. They've trapped me for 19 hours. If you see this, I probably didn't make it.
Are you interested?
We're in the clip section.
No, we have to do that at Marshalls.
Yeah, that's
I would
true.
feel like
we could never cheat.
I feel like
on
we're
them.
cheating on
We could never
Marshalls.
cheat. Luke. What's your favorite one?
Wait, I can't see. Oh, actually, these are kind of cool.
You can't see.
These are
Okay, we'll
cool.
find that at Marshalls.
And like, army wear is like one of the only things that we consume in this country that's fully American made. But it's because like if we went to war with someone, we couldn't be importing stuff from them.
Fun fact of the day.
This one looks.
Run, run, Rudolph, do the bada booty do.
So
3.
puzzle.
Actually looks like a boy's hand.
Rendo. What the?
Écorbier.
This smells like bath.
It's hour 63. If you see this, I probably didn't make Grand Central, like from New York City.
Are you not vlogging?
I am.
He is. I feel so bad for the car behind.
I'm so excited for Yali Koob season.
Vlog that one too. Koobmas.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Should I?
So why would you? What do you need to buy?
No, not buy. Use.
Oh, I thought you meant go out and buy grams. I was like, no.
Girl, no.
No, yeah, use the grams. Live it out, girl.
Wait, is this gonna die? Is this all of this yeast dead?
I think you can activate yeast by putting it in warm water.
What happens if you don't refrigerate yeast after it has been opened?
Oh, within 4 months. Refrigerate or freeze after opening and use within.
So test it first, proof it. And if it's sluggish but still active, you can use more yeast.
Apparently my yeast might be dead, so we're testing it out. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit. And then instead a pinch of sugar. If it's foamy within 10 minutes. Hey Google, set a timer for 10 minutes. God, I'm gonna cry if this is dead.
We'll just go ahead and okay.
We'll put one more jar in.
And pie's going later.
Yeah, so we can
Wake
get
up for most of that pizza.
And also, like, we don't live in a farm in the middle of nowhere. Like, we can run out and grab some real quick.
No, we can't.
Loki, this is my least favorite part of the baking process.
Oh, really?
Yeah, measuring and doing this. There's a mix of light brown and granulated, so tell me when you get to...
I'm at light.
Light brown is 1 1/4 cups. So yeah, oops. You want me to rinse it or anything, or?
Nah,
Doesn't matter, right?
I don't think so.
Do you have a whip cutter?
Yeah. Dude, we're woke.
How is having a whip cutter being woke?
I don't know.
Okay, well we gotta figure out the tablespoon. Oh, beauty!
Should we?
But
Should
she-
The
we?
butter was not softened properly, so
Well,
it's gonna take time.
should we make a TikTok?
That's just the
Too late
background.
now? It smells so good.
I know it already smells good, right?
Brown sugar is the best
Yeah.
smelling baked item.
Okay. Fine. Or should I like, or should I remeasure and put more in?
No, don't put more in.
This is so much fun.
Oh shoot.
I already messed up
No, you
the
didn't.
best start.
No, you
It's
didn't.
okay,
No, you
it's
didn't.
okay.
This is redeemable. Oh shoot.
What?
Is it dead?
Oh, she's
The yeast
she's
is
dead.
dead.
She's definitely
Should we
dead.
try it again? Maybe with the warm water, not
You wanna
hot?
drink it?
Yeah, because hot water could kill it, right?
Yeah.
So chaotic.
I'm gonna do a hefty.
Should I redo all of them?
No,
do not
no.
do that.
Okay, what do we think looking at this? It looks too little though. We're supposed to
No.
1.5 teaspoons.
Teaspoons are tiny.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, no, it's not. I feel like I scooped out the vast
You did.
majority. I'm a little nervous that I took out too much flour, but it's okay.
Flour?
Yeah, because I was scooping out the baking soda and some flour came with it.
Oh, that's okay.
I really need this yeast to work.
I feel like a vlogger now.
Good.
Can I undo this? Should I not do it?
It's okay. It's gonna be fine.
Itna Saahir. Now we're not
Baking
gonna
is
screw
about
up.
the feeling, okay?
No,
It's
baking.
No, it's about what turns out.
Cooking is a feeling.
If they're bad, no one's eating them.
They're not gonna, we're gonna test it. It's not gonna be bad.
Should we bake some tonight?
I think
Yes.
well, I want them to rise enough.
So
Okay.
it's giving brain eating. This does not look like anything anyone wants to look at.
It's so chaotic.
Okay.
This is gonna be titled "Baking Fail on Christmas Eve."
I'm glad that I at least got the kosher salt. Where is that?
This is nice.
Yeah, our butters and sugars have creamed together really well.
Does yours also require kosher?
If it does, I didn't use it.
Oh, you bought the salt.
Yeah, because I didn't want it to turn out bad, but now it's going to anyways.
It's not gonna be bad.
I agree.
But I'm also like now sus at this recipe because any good recipe is supposed to tell you whether it's Morton's or Diamond Crystal. I learned that from Bon Appetit, and they didn't tell you.
Can I try?
Yeah.
तो कब से हम लोग क्या कर रहे
No,
थे?
it's been on and off.
Okay.
I would still suggest using more of it.
Yeah, I'll like double.
Yeah.
Especially because the cinnamon rolls are a yeasted dough.
Oh, I didn't sift.
Girl.
Whatever, right?
Pish posh.
Okay, now add the, so for your stand mixer, add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition.
How many eggs do you have?
It is
6, 7.
2 large eggs.
Call me Eloise's mom the way this is Rose. Do y'all follow the Eloise's mom?
Are you giving her a bowl?
Yeah. I'll show y'all this TikToker that I follow.
Do I mix this or do I can mix both of them, right?
Oh yeah, you can, right? That's what we decided to do.
Yeah, how's fun?
Is there a clean way to do this?
Oh yeah. Oh, what the? It's recording again. No. Good morning.
They're so thick.
Yeah, they're so much fun.
It looks good.
Yeah, it looks nice.
मैं अभी जो glasses बनाऊंगा मैं इसी तरह frame, thick frame.
Why are you sleeping? Oh,
happy birthday.
जैसे इधर screen लगी हुई है, सब कुछ चीजें दिखती है. Like we didn't have the budget for that one. Those are $800
Where do you push the button?
on the right side. That's a picture, and then if you hold it, it's a video. You don't have to hold it that hard. Stop. They don't work glasses. I took them to हम लोग on-site गए थे.
We have a very similar prescription, I feel.
Oh, nice. How does this work?
They look normal on you.
ये नहीं तेरे वो आ जाएंगे.
Look.
Gold duck or
train
एक हफ्ते
पे
में?
लिया
तक
था.
नहीं आएंगे. मैं कोशिश करूंगा आपसे.
When I put them
Why is
on,
it
I
so
didn't even
good?
open my eyes and I still feel dizzy.
Mm-mm.
Oh, that's why.
Oh, it's because you're doing. It's probably. Oh, it's recording the video right now. Okay.
Dizzy edition.
I'll use them during our trip.
You better. Good morning.
Good morning.
How's everyone's nap?
Everyone.
उन्होंने भी दिया.
You were also cranky this morning.
I was. You're right about that. Even Faya noticed.
Yeah, thank you for calling him out.
बातें भी करेगी मुझसे ये
नहीं अभी video record हो रही है. Hey Meta.
निकाल
Why is Saahir so sleepy?
Not a thought behind it.
Here's what it looks like because I added some more.
I'd say Matt easier. Let's get different kinds. Yeah.
But they like tell you how and when. Okay. So this is going in the fridge to chill. No.
मेरे लिए तुम क्या नीचे रखा था वाइल्ड
Yeah, I was like, am I the only one that saw that?
दादू ने नहीं देखा.
Roll back the tapes.
Yeah, we have it on camera now.
तो तुझे ये पूरा दिन पहन के रख.
Oh, I'll keep it.
What is this?
Unless you have plans for it.
I did not.
What is that, sanitizer?
Yeah.
Your mom got it in her Christmas present.
Oh, she got so many Christmas presents this year.
I was like, blue hands in there?
I hope y'all enjoyed that Meta Glasses footage. This is the end of the vlog. Yeah. Luckily, none of the vlogs are going up before Christmas now, so December 26th, I will lock in and edit. But thanks for watching. I'll see y'all very soon.